was cold tonight. It got down to about 35, and I have the hiccups. It should be amusing. The beginning of the night, I couldn't even talk. It was so bad. I couldn't say a word, and so my bosses were really understanding. They went and got me cough drops, because, you know, Mike went and got me cough drops because Mike's a nice guy. And then they said, well, you know, do what you can do, just figure something out. So I went to the ass rock, and I just kind of lay back, and I pretended to be dead. I put the noose around my neck. And then Zach came over and started chopping at me with the axe that he had, because he's the executioner. And that worked pretty well, because while everybody was staring at us, all the other people went and were scaring them because they were so distracted. And I really like this makeup. It doesn't, you know, it didn't take long to put on. It's not going to take long to take off. And it's just creepy enough to just be like, oh yeah, some drunk guy propositioned me on the tractor, and he's like, hey, you want to go on a date? I'm like, not with you, Tipsy McGee. And there was a I just might cut this short. Anyway, there were jerks in the wagon. It was cold. We made it anyway. I tried doing different things that didn't involve screaming. I tried doing that grudge girl thing with, like, my hair was over my face, and I had the, you know, I went into the, and I scared some girls, but it didn't really work, so I'm like, well, what else can I do? So I put the noose around my neck, and I started staggering around, you know, making choking noises, like I couldn't breathe. So yeah, I know a lot of you are laughing right now because of the hiccups, so that's what you got. In the end, I just gave up and started screaming, and the more I screamed, the more numb my vocal cords became, and then I can guarantee you by tomorrow morning I won't be able to say a thing. My knee's been holding up. My knee's been holding up pretty good. I'm surprised. I've had like one blister. My feet can take it. It's, you know what? Screw it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.